everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me tonight or today. For me it's nighttime. It's Sunday night. Tonight I am going to be working on an 8x8 canvas. I have a special request. This is a commission piece from one of my new great friends, and I'm sure you all know her very well, and her name is Rinske. So I had done a pour a while back, blues and greens, lime greens, and she loved it, and she wanted me to do another one for her with specific colors. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight in this video. So of course I'm going to be doing the Dutch pour, and so I have my white already mixed up with Floetrol and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. I do not have water in this, so I have the Floetrol and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. So that's all that's in there. I'm just gonna spread it out here with my spatula. It's been quite a while since I've done any paintings because I've been so busy. Although I am uploading every other day, it's because I do about, 5-6 paintings every time, and then I take a break because life is just so busy with kids and school and work and Juno. So I don't have time to paint every night, unfortunately. I wish I did, but I don't. So what I try and do is I try and, find time one night and I do like 5 or 6 paintings. And then that way I get everything done in one night. So that's what I do. I find it's easier for me just to make a mess once and then clean up once instead of coming down to the basement every night, making a new mess and, all that stuff. So, all right, so I've got all my edges covered. I'm just gonna torch my bubbles. There we go. I see some fluff in here and here. All right, so I have 2 pieces to do for Rinske. So the first one, she asked me to use the colors. So these are in my squeeze bottles. So I have Phthalo Blue by Academy, and then I'm using Turquoise by Artist Loft, and Light Blue by Artist Loft, and finally I have Bronze, Metallic Bronze by Artist Loft. So I have my blue here in the squeeze bottle. So I think I'm gonna start, and then I've put them in these little cups here, which I really like because there's always some leftover paint. And with these little cups, I get them at the dollar store. I can just put the lid on top and then save it for next time I want to use some more of those colors. So I think I'm gonna do it in this order. Yeah, I think I'll start like that. So I'll do that and we'll see what happens. So I'll start with the Phthalo Blue. All right. And now add the light blue. Okay, and turquoise. And finally, the bronze. All right. So let's see how this one will turn out. Let me just move these out of the way. All right, I'm gonna add my white all the way around. Okay. I will torch my bubbles. If anyone wants to know, because a lot of people ask what my ratio is and how I mix my paints, check out video number 63. I did make a video finally, and that explains how I mix my paints and the ratio when I'm using the squeeze bottle. So if you want to know, check out video number 63. And I don't use silicone, never do. So if you're interested, check that video out. All right, so we're ready to go here. Let's see what happens. Let's blow it over. All right, now let's blow it back. I'm gonna blow a little bit down this way. All right, oh, lots of white cells popping up. All right, so I'm just gonna turn it a bit and I'm just gonna blow a little bit down in the center. There. There we go. So there's a lot of white cells popping up, and then I have all the bronze here in the center. So let's torch it a little bit here in the center and see what happens. There. Quick and simple. So I really like that actually. But Rinske, I hope you like it. It's so hard when you're doing a commissioned piece because you really hope that the person you're making it for is really gonna love it. So let me just check my edges here. Make sure everything's covered. Yep, looks pretty good to me. So I'll bring you guys down for a close-up so you can see what I'm looking at. And I've learned my lesson not to take my phone off the tripod. I just pick up the whole tripod. All right, so there it is. There's that shadow. Gotta love that shadow. And there it is. I can't go any, well, I can, but then you get that shadow from the phone and the pot lights, but you get the idea. So there it is. Put you guys back up here. There we go. Okay, perfect. So there it is. And very simple and quick. So then all I'm gonna do is just grab a popsicle stick and I'm just gonna scrape the bottoms because you want to get all the drips off the bottom because the drips are what pull your paint off your canvas. So you want to grab all the drips and just clean off all the drips off the bottom. And there you go. Perfect. So that's it. Quick and short. Rinske, I hope you like it. So for those of you who are new, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And so that you're notified every time I post a new video or go live. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will be back with another video because, as I said, I'm going to do a whole bunch tonight. So I'll be back with another one shortly. I hope you all have a great night. All my links are listed below. I now have an Amazon influencer link. So for those of you who wonder where I buy my hair dryer, my torch, my Floetrol, all my supplies, I have a shop on Amazon. So feel free to click on that link and then you can go shopping there. I have a Canadian site set up right now and I'm in the process of setting up an American shop. So stay tuned for that. But all my stuff is on that link, my Facebook, my Instagram, and Etsy, and of course the PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate or tip or, you know, help me with any donation. That would be greatly appreciated. So thanks very much, guys. I'll see you guys soon for the next video. Take care. Bye.